Reference sources are dictionaries, encyclopedias, or atlases. They include names, dates, key facts, and established information about broad topics and serve an important and specific purpose in scholarly research. Use reference sources to become more familiar with your topic so that you are better equipped to search smarter for articles and books. Reference sources aren't meant to answer the kinds of questions you are asking in your studies. They are meant to catch you up on a topic so that you can dive into more specific research or help you choose a more specific part of a topic to focus on. When it comes time to find evidence to use to support your thesis, you'll use books and journal articles, not reference sources. Because reference sources include general information, you are going to search for them a bit differently. Even if your research question or topic is exploring the intersection between topics or a nuanced or specific part of a topic, when searching for reference sources, you will always search the larger topics related to your question, and one at a time. For example, if you started off with a research question like, how is the rise of social media linked to the visibility of eating disorders, you would not put all of that into your search box. Instead, you would search for eating disorders, and then later you could try another search for social media. From the library homepage, we have a few options to find reference sources. We're going to look at our options for electronic reference sources first, because you can access them from on or off campus. Hover over Research in the gray menu and click on Getting Started. On the right, you can see different categories of reference databases, online dictionaries, and more. Any of these are good options. Let's take a closer look at Credo Reference. Credo searches over 600 reference sources at once, so it's a good bet for most topics. Type in your search. Remember to keep it broad and general. These are your results. You can see the title here, which reference source it comes from, and how long the entry is. You can use this information to get an idea of how detailed an article is, even before you open it. Eating disorders is a very broad topic, but reading entries in reference sources can help you decide where in a topic you would like to focus. Within this topic, you might find that the implications of environmental factors or brain chemistry, social implications of or stigmatization, psychological or physical effects, prevention or treatment might pique your interest. You can continue to narrow your topic from there. Perhaps you want to research recent developments in psychological treatments for patients with binge eating disorder, or maybe you would like to compare the stigma related to suffering from an eating disorder to the treatment of physical illness. Talk to your instructor about your topic and how narrow it needs to be for your specific assignment. You can also use Gladys to find print and electronic reference books. From the library homepage, start your search with dictionary or encyclopedia in parentheses. Then add a broad keyword related to your topic, women, for example. Once the search loads, you'll want to limit your search to books owned by Mary Baldwin. You can see in our results that these are all reference sources related to women and women's issues. Some of these are ebooks. You can access them by clicking the Access Online button. If the book is one we have physically in the library, you'll see a call number. This should be enough to get you started. If you have any questions, contact a librarian.